Next, I am inventing an invention. Ang pait niya. Tea bag. Green tea. Malakas siya, malakas. I am inventing an invention. My name is Charlie. Me and my best friend Marv like playing with Marv's dogs, Zizzles. I have this little sister Lola. She is small and very funny. She likes playing with her best friend Lotta. One day my little sister Lola says, "Charlie, what is that book?" I say, "It is a book about invention. Me and Marv have to invent something for school." Lola asks, "What is an invention?" I say, "An invention is something new that helps people do things better and faster." Marv says, "Like the telephone." "But we already have a telephone," says Lola. I say, "Yes, but a very long time ago there were no telephones." Lola says, "No telephones? How would I tell Lotta about my new drawing?" I said, "You would have to go and see Lotta." "But that is a very long way," says Lola. "I would have to go in the car with Mom," says Lola. But I says, "Lola, a very long time ago there were no cars. You would have to go by horse." "Oh," says Lola, "by horse?" Lola says, "Cars and telephones are very good invention." "I am going to make an invention too," I says Lola. "It is not easy to make a brilliant invention." But Lola says, I can invent something, you'll see." "Marv," I say, "we must make a brilliant and useful invention, not seen before." And Marv say, "I got it. How about something that can walk Cecil for me?" Lola looks at our drawing of a dog bicycle, but Cecil will not reach the pedals. He is too small, I says. "Oh yes, well," says Marv, "it would have been good." I says, "We have no come up with a new invention." Then Lola says, "Look, Charlie, I'm an inventor. I invented a crayon that is green and blue." "But what about red?" asks Mark. Lola says, "Well, I have many more inventions. You see, we must make a good invention and fast." I say, "It's not easy," says Mark. "All the good inventions have already been invented." Then I say, "I got it. We can make a brilliant apple picker upper. It will pick up all the apples that come down from the trees." So Marv says, "What would it look like?" I say, "It's made from two bicycles and a vacuum cleaner. If we pedal very fast, all the apples go into it, then come out into the wheelbarrow." Ooh. I asked Mom if we can borrow the vacuum cleaner, but she says no. "Oh no," says Mark, "that was our best invention." "Now what?" Lola asked, "Have you come up with some good invention?" "Not one," I says. "Oh no," says Lola. "Maybe you are not inventors, but we have to invent something fast," I say. So we start inventing and Lola starting tidying up. But before long, she gets stuck to everything with tape. "Help, get off." "Oh no." Then Lola sees that everything is stuck to her with tape. "Look at me, Charlie. Everything is stuck to me. I say, yes, thank you for tidying up, Lola. Tidying up. But Lola says, no, Charlie, I am inventor. See, the pencil, crayons, and clips are all sticking to my dress. There is a place for the pencils, and a place for the crayons, and for the clips. Everything is tidy. Marv says, Lola, that is brilliant. I say, can we borrow it for school? But will people think it is really useful? Asks Lola. Marv says, yes, and we think it is too, I say. Lola say, I really am an inventor. Marv says, what would we call your invention? Lola says, the brilliant and useful dress tidy up upper. The end. Next time to she sleep lah.